In theory, calories in, calories out, there is no difference between doing a daily caloric deficit versus a weekly caloric deficit. If our maintenance calorie is 2,500 calories per day, that will give us an intake of 17.5 thousand calories by the end of the week. Let's say we want to do a 500 deficit daily, that will give us 2,000 calories for each day and 14,000 calories for each week. If you follow the daily caloric deficit, you're going to eat 2,000 calories each day. That will add up to 14,000 by the end of the week, which is the same as the weekly caloric deficit. However, in weekly caloric deficit, you're going to go up some days and you should go down the other days within the same week in order to maintain that 14,000 calories. However, these ups and downs are going to put extra stress on your system and makes it a lot harder for your body to adapt to these unstable conditions. And also, it's going to be a lot harder to make this a habit compared to this one.